Piny owacho ochwalo chiem kony ne jodak ma Igembe North e kaunti ma Meru mar gayo kech mosebetie kaluwore kod midhiero mar oro. Kanolose e gwenge ma Mutwati, apisa maduol mochung' ne gayo weche mag oro e kaunti ma Meru Gordon Nur noyango ni nitie dwaro mar chwalo kony mapiyo ne jodak ma kuonde ma oro nothiro e cham e kaunti no. Bende nitie luoro ni kata koth ma osebedo ka chwe kidam dipo ka ok oreso cham manie puothe. Peter Ndegwa, jakom mochung' ne aput manono weche mag oro, oyango ni kwan mar jok ma oro wiyo pod medore.
Status, the drought situation progressed to alarm. We call it alarm, where all the drought indicators were below normal. I want to say that we receive October-November rains. These rains are not adequate. Agriculture and crop may not progress to maturity. The situation will not be normal. We'll be having food insecurity.
We understand that the next rainy season is not looking good. So it is likely that this number will increase despite the short rains that we have seen around the country. So we should not be comfortable based on the rains that we have seen. We believe that this issue will be there for at least the next 12 months. In addition to that, we need to understand that there is more than 2.5 million herds of livestock that have been affected, so livelihoods have been affected.